In this video, we will learn how to Google Sheet download in Open Documents means ODS. Okay, so just go to the File tab. Okay, then click on the download option, and here you can see the second option, Open Documents .ods. Just click on it to download the Google Sheet as a Open Documents file. Just click on it to download here, and you can see here the file is download in ODC. Just double click on this folder icon to show the file. You can see here in download folder have a sales data file. Just download it. I show you here the file type also. You can see the file type open document spreadsheet. I just double click on here on this file to open this file. Just wait for the few seconds to open the document. So here you can see this file showing the protected view. Click on the enable editing to edit this file. Okay, this file is open documents ODS. So this is a way you can download the Google Sheet as an open document ODS file. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.